You want to start a YouTube channel and all you have is just your phone. You don't have any skill, you don't have any money to invest, and you want to start a YouTube channel. You're just like me. But if I can start and grow a YouTube channel just using my phone, if I can do it, you don't have any excuse, and even you can do it more better than I can do. This is a perfect time for you to start a YouTube channel so that you can get an extra cash or an extra side hustle. In this video, I'm going to show you how I do my video editing step by step, how I upload videos, and how I set myself for success in this. So my process of doing a YouTube channel using my phone, and make sure you watch till the end so that you get my tips and tricks to the fullest. And let's begin. Number one way to start a YouTube channel is go to your YouTube homepage and press the profile picture, then create account. It's going to show there, and I assume if you have a Google account it is going to be created. Now the second step is choosing a word that suits you. Eunice Films is the best choice that I chose. Number 3 steps, upload a profile picture like this one, and make sure you design a banner using Canva like this one, and the channel is already set. In this process you're going to need Canva more in making your design. You have now set a channel. Congratulations, your channel is now ready. Now the second thing is about choosing the niche. What I'm talking about niche is the ideas that you're going to post in your channel. There are a lot of niches out there that you can choose from, and the best and the most thing that you can do to yourself is choosing a niche that is searchable. These are videos about how to do something. For example, how to cook something. These are the niches that are going to help you get audiences come to you even if they don't know you. By searching through YouTube, they are going to access your content. If you don't have how to, or you don't have a skill that you can share with people, you don't have to worry, because I'm going to give you 2 tips that are going to help you in this. Number 1 tip is to integrate popular YouTubers into your videos. For example, if I am into productivity, I can copy or I can mention Ali Abdallah into my YouTube videos because he's a very popular YouTuber. By copying or integrating him into my channel, I'm going to steal his subscribers to also come and watch my videos. You can also copy other YouTubers and make sure they are just people from your niche, because you don't want to post videos of technology in your videos that are talking about how to cook food. Number 2 tip is creating videos that are popular into your niche. For example, if there is a trendy YouTube video about type of gaming and you want to start a gaming channel, you can also replicate or do such like YouTube channel. But there is a caution in this one. If you are going to do a popular video that is popular at that time, you have to be careful with their audience, because they'll come to subscribe to your channel, and if they don't get whatever they expect in your channel, they may not subscribe to you or they may unsubscribe to you. Now that you have selected your channel niche, let us go to step number 3. What are the gadgets that you have? You're just going to use our phone, and that is what I have already been using. You don't have to invest in expensive cameras, but I'm going to show you what you need to invest in, even if it's just a small amount of money to start. Let's have a phone like this that has a camera. That is all you need to start a YouTube channel. Second thing that you need is a microphone like the one I'm using right now. It's called a Lavaria microphone. And why you need a microphone, let me show you how it is like to have audio without microphone. Can you hear me now? Do you love the quality of the voice? Okay, let us see. What about now? Do you love this quality? When you use a microphone, the audio is better and people are likely to watch your videos when the audio is more clear than even the video itself. If you don't have a microphone, and also use a wired earphones that have a microphone, you can also use that. And if you don't have the earphones, no worries, you can use your phone. As time goes by, you can invest in a microphone. This one just went for around $7, that is 700 Kenya shillings. The other thing that you need in order to film the video is lighting. And lighting is the better than quality cameras. For example, right now I'm sitting in front of the door. You can also sit in front of a window so that you can get natural light. Also have your videos filmed outside. It's also a good way to use the natural light into your videos so that the videos can be more clear. Now compare this video that is dark and the one that has light. Which one do you prefer? Of course, the one that has light. The 4th thing you need is a tripod. If you don't have, you can use a stack of books. You don't want your videos to be shaky like that, because they are going to lower your quality and people are not going to click into your video because they are shaking. One way to do this, you can use a stack of books or a stack of items and place your phone like this. Place it somewhere, maybe at a shelf, and make your videos. If you can purchase a tripod like this one. This one is a selfie stick that I can use like a selfie stick. I can also use it as a tripod. It just went for 300 Kenya shillings, and that is just $3. So we have discussed about the things you need to have. 4 steps is now filming the video. There are a lot of types of videos that you can film. Number 1 thing is sit down videos like the one I'm doing. I'm sitting in front of a camera and making videos. You can also do videos about vlogging. That is, you are going to document the whole day. You can also have you recording footages of what you are going to do. For example, when you are going to cook, you can film and then later have voiceovers. Those are the types of videos that you can film. Make sure that you dedicate enough time to film, because sometimes you can have rush and the quality of the video is low. I'm going to give you things to avoid during filming at the end of this video, so make sure to watch till the end. Before filming the video, you also need a guide so that it can guide you to film the video. For my case, I have my notes here with me, the one that I'm using to film this video. You can use a book like I use. You can also print a document that you're going to refer or when you're doing your video, and if not, you can have a laptop that you can borrow, or if you have it by yourself, it's better for you. Number one thing in scripting, you have maybe to write the main points so that you don't forget, because let me tell you a fact that filming is not easy. Standing before a camera is not easy. It's just your phone. Don't worry. Don't worry, I also have my phone alone in filming. It takes a lot of courage, but as you practice more, it's going to get into your system and it's going to look normal, so you don't have to worry about that. So let's go to the next part, which is video editing. The favorite and the biggest part of this is video editing, and the best apps for Android editing. I love InShot, is my favorite. It's simple to use and it's beginner friendly. You can also use CapCut, and there are other more editing apps that you can install into your Android phone. My steps for editing videos is: number one, I add clips into the editing app. I also do color grading, that is collecting any colors or any lighting mistakes that was there in the whole video. I also do pacing fast. The second thing that I usually do is trimming off the long pauses or the bad parts that I don't want in the video. The third thing that I usually do is adding footages of B-rolls, pictures, and other things that I want. Number 4 step is adding transitions, and number 5 is adding music and sound effects into the video. This is the 5 steps that I usually use in editing videos. And now there is a caution in this process. Make sure that the music that you use are copyright free. That means your music is licensed for you to use in your YouTube videos. Audio Library is going to give you copyright free music that you can put into your video. Now that you have edited, it's time now to upload the video. In this case, you have to design thumbnail. Thumbnail is the profile picture that you usually see before you click into the video. That is the thumbnail. You also need a high compelling title that is going to make people to come and click into your video. And so make sure that you use Canva to have better designs if you are not good in designing. I use ChatGPT myself to have better titles and to improve my title so that they can be more clickable. Don't forget to add the description box. Have something to explain about what is your YouTube video about, and in that description box, make sure that you add keywords that are likely to be more and more searchable to people. So make sure that you add tags into your video. It's usually in the settings when you're uploading a video. A tip that is going to help you in order to get more views: make sure that you don't post directly into YouTube, but do schedule. When you schedule, the YouTube algorithm is going to look at your videos and that time that you're going to give it, and later it's going to select the best audiences to watch your video. And congratulations, you have a video online. It's now ready to be viewed by the world, and yours is just to wait and relax. Congratulations, you have come to this far, and there is a question before we go. Now that you have set your videos out to the world to see it, one thing that maybe you might not like it, be ready to be disappointed, because growing YouTube is not an instant thing. Unless you are lucky enough, but starting a YouTube video and growing a YouTube video is not something easy. It takes like 2 years on average person to get monetized on YouTube. But because this is your goal, be ready to learn. The best thing is grow with each and every upload. There are mistakes that you need to avoid. And number 1, avoid loud music into your video, because it's going to lower the quality of your audio, and if people are not going to hear you clearly, they are going to click off the video. Number 2, avoid doing a main video before doing a pre-test, because maybe you don't know if the lighting is good, you don't know if the audio quality is good, you don't know if the leveling is good. So it's good and it's important to first do a pre-test, do a small video and confirm if everything is okay. And number 3 thing, avoid big intros, because they are going to make the subscriber not to watch the whole of your video, because they're going to be disappointed. Whatever they are coming to do in your video, you're not providing it instantly. The best thing to do is to offer value very fast into your video. And the number 4 thing that you should avoid is dark videos or not having enough light into your videos, because they're going to make your video quality to be low. And also make sure that your quality of the audio is better even than the footage of the camera itself. Number 5 thing is avoid shaky footage. When you're holding your phone like this, you may find that the footages that you're going to correct are a bit shaky, and people are not going to like your videos and they are going to click off your videos. Make sure you comment with a blue emoji so that I may reply unto you, and make sure you hit the subscribe button. Subscribing to my channel is going to help me grow further. I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye.